The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kirkland, or 8 miles south of Belvidere, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Baringo, Genoa, Hampshire, Kirkland, Kingston, Burlington, and Union. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.